In this video, I will show you how to add money on Kraken. To do this, just open up the Kraken app or website, and from there you want to go to transfer and then deposit on the mobile app, or just click deposit on the website. That will give you a few options. So what I'll do is deposit euro from my bank account, so under cash I'll select euro. Now here I can use Ideal, which for me is the best, which means I can transfer from my bank account, but you can also use PayPal, Easy Bank Transfer or Manual Bank Transfer. Now if you're from a different country, this may be a bit different. Just select the method that's best for you. Now for example, if I select Ideal, I can then choose how much I want to deposit. Let's say I want to do 100 euros, I can just select that, then click Review, and from there click Confirm, and it will then redirect me to that payment method, where I can go and confirm the transfer and pay for it, in this case from my bank account. And then if I go to Portfolio, it will then show up here in Cash and Stables. So that's all you need to do to add money to Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.